Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cookie recipe for Engelsaugen, and this one is, in English it's called jam thumbprint cookies. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 2/3 cup or 150 grams of butter, 2 egg yolks, half a cup or 70 grams of powdered sugar, 3/4 teaspoon vanilla extract or 2 teaspoons vanilla sugar, a dash of salt. Strawberry jam is classic, but you can use any flavor you prefer. First, cream the butter until light and fluffy. Add vanilla, salt, and powdered sugar. Separate your eggs. We only want the yolks. And beat until light and fluffy. Mix in the flour. The dough will begin to look very dry. Knead until it forms a dough. Then, on a lined baking sheet, roll the dough into balls and place them on the baking sheet. They can be quite close together because they don't spread very much. Then, using your thumb, press a dip into the cookies. This is where the kids can help. Then, spoon a teaspoon of jam into the hole in the cookies. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cookies are golden brown. Dust with powdered sugar. These kind of need it because they're not very sweet. These cookies are tender and fruity. I love the jam in the middle. It really adds a lot of flavor to the cookies. In German, they're called Engelsaugen or angel eyes. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.